Okay, here is the video about how to prepare the informations and make sure the information which is perfect match to display on the web page. Okay, here is the your website index page. Okay, as you can see that there's got many of the products, and I got your previous email which is about the product photo about the mask. Okay, I have according to your products photos to compare with Hong Kong market some of the existing products, existing online shop which is about selling about the face mask made in Japan, and I use this to create a sample about the mask design. There's got the mask photos. Okay, and they got the size options, for example large size, medium size, and the small size. And I see that the photos, okay, if you just want the product display, product page, single product page display just like that, okay, I think that the photo you provide, which is enough, about 500 plus 500 pixel, is okay for display. But if you like to add more description on the single page, just like as follow. Okay, I will share the product linkage. Okay, here is the sample. As you can see that here is the photo which is you provided. If there is 500 pixels, the user preview will just like that. But if you can provide the pixel 800, you can see that we can enlarge the photos just like that. Of course, I can use the 500 photos to enlarge it to 800, but as you can see that the text inside photos that got a little bit blurred. Okay, so I suggest that just depend on your option. If you think that, okay, I just want to show the basic information on the online shop, I think that the photos you provided is okay. But I need to say that for the photo format, I hope that you can make a little bit adjustment on that. Okay, right now we saw that each photo number which should belong to a product, but on the thumbnail we checked that may be a little bit complex, so that because our system is supported a bulk update options, because as you upload a product, you not only just provide us the photo, you need to provide us a product names, the server pricings. Is there any difference between size, medium size and large size for the face mask? For example, maybe more size for the child, the pricing there will be a little bit different. Okay, I will show a demo about our backend. Okay, here is the sample. Okay, for example, here is the face mask for 30 pieces. Okay, you need to provide us the detailed informations. Okay, if you like to show more informations about the products, here is the descriptions. Okay, you also need to provide us the text and related photos and specific mentions to us where you want to show. Okay, the main product photos, and also here is the main product photos, and here is the gallery photos. Okay, just over here, and each product the the SKU number and the pricing about the different size of the face mask. Okay, there also allow a specific settings, but no worry, as I said that before, our system is support a bulk download and bulk upload options. Okay, here is the demo. Just export. I will suggest that you can follow our Excel format to provide us all your product informations. Okay, as you can see that we are just talking about the products which should about the face mask. Okay, we can take out all our dummy products informations. Okay, here is the demo. You just need to provide us about this column is about the code. You no need to tap any. Okay, here is the main product and the stock number M001, which means that the single product number. I suggest that you just need to give me this row. For example, you got another products which call BMC. You just need to change this as BMC. It should be very easy. Okay, copy that. Assign a new number. For example, 29. This call 30. And this SKU number and 2. And the product BMC. And the descriptions. Okay, I go to a BMC mask. Okay, where this is the stock number. Okay, the product type is mask, and here is the tab for the searchings. Okay, and the photos. Okay, for examples, here is the photos from your side, and the photo names called 8996946 underscore 1000.jpg, and then the first is the main photos, and the second photos is a comma. Then I go to 46 100 1000, which means that because this is the product code about BC mask, but the BC mask there got a different size for the for men, large, they contain large size, medium size for women, and the small size for the child. Okay, you need to manually update that. Okay, because we are copy paste. For example, this PC mask pricing should be original price is 150, and right now you sold at $60 Hong Kong. Okay, for the child, there's got a special discount. One original price is $120, but there's got discount price is 60. Okay. Okay, then very easy. Which means that after this, you have through this demo, you can see that I is already used the Excel very easily to update the system, which means that we can through the this Excel bulk update all the product informations. Okay. But for the photos, because we will full FTP to upload, so that I suggest the photo number is better follow about the product SKU. For example, this is the M002. Of course, you can decide it by yourself to convenience for your stock management system. Okay, for example, this product MC Mask M002 is the SKU. I will suggest that is it will be if your products change it to photo names save, for examples. M002 .jpg, and the other photos M002